Why you should talk less? Noise is everything in our modern world, so we have to master silence. We have to be quiet. We have to talk less. So it has many benefits about talk less. First, silence wins attention. If you are silent, people will try to find what is inside you, what you have inside of you, what kind of person are you. You are a mystery and they want to discover you. It allows you more effective listening. If you talk less, when you talk a little thing, people try to listen, try to know what you are saying because you are a mystery. It allows you to achieve awareness. When you try to find peace, to meditate, calm your mind, we must calm our mind, because it talk too much will be very difficult in the beginning, because every beginning is hard. It help you practice patience. You have to be patient in life. To want something, to achieve something, you have to be patient. Work hard, work smart, and be patient. You can have everything you want in your life. Can regain focus. Can help you. Don't waste your energy. Keep your energy, your attention, and don't talk too much. It will help you focus on your work or your project. You can work with using power of silence. It can inspire you creativity. If you see great mind in the past, greatest mind, they want to be alone, like Nikola Tesla and many others. Choose your words. Silence can help you when you are angry. Don't talk too much. Don't say things that when you are aware you will regret. Choose your word. Know what to say to people when you are angry, or don't say things that don't have sense. Choose your word and say things that will help people if they understand it, if they listen to you. You can increase your observation, because talking less, your mind will observe everything and will analyze that. You can improve your social circle, because they will know that you don't talk too much, don't give secrets to people. You can gain trust. Thank you.